Hello guys. So in this video, we will be going to learn about some more advanced feature about the variables. So, so basically, suppose right now in our current scenario, if you check, suppose if you can get, let me get this var.tf. Suppose I do have only these five variables, or you can say the five things. Let's make it more simple. For this thing, let's change my directory to output right now. Right. Suppose let me open this main.pf file. You can check. Let me just remove these things. Right. Let me write some new things like variable, like uh, names and type is equal to string. Right. So that an output we can write it as name value is equal to uh, dot name. Right. This it's change. Yeah. Suppose in this scenario, we do have only one variable. Suppose instead of one variable, we do have many of variables. So we need to provide this command that enter value. We need to provide this value again and again, again and again. Suppose there are 10 variables or 20 variables, and we need to provide each time each variable. So that will be a hectic task. To get rid of this, what we can do now, we can create a file from Terraform dot tfvars, right? And then we can put all of the required variable which we have needed inside this, right? Let's check what are the variables here. We have defined variables are name. Name is equal to required name. So let me open this Terraform.tfvars file which we have created. Search. So name is equal to this, right? Now this Terraform and see, first name is Devashi. So how this TF file knows that we need to fetch this variable from this Terraform, this this variable file is just because of this Terraform TFVAR files. Basically, Terraform usually look for this particular name, this specific name, terraform.tfvars. If this name file exists, all the variable will be stored there. So basically, Terraform used to fetch variables from try to fetch variables from this file, right? So the required parameters or variables which we need inside our main.tf file or inside our main any of main Terraform file, we can define here only. Also, it is not necessary we need to create this variable file with the same name. We can create with a new name also, new name, other name also, but the extension should be same. Also, suppose if we want this as suppose test.pf was, right? This way, and then name is India. So right? And for this, if you check for Terraform client and health, you will able to find a lot of things here, right? Check this, and you will able to find this value file name, from which file load variable values from given file. From where you want to load the variables, you can this way, use this way, where file. Okay, let's try to do this. Terraform plan where file is equal to test.tfvars. Terraform plan. Here I will need okay, I need to change something inside this test.tfvars. So this is like okay. Right now, fine. First name is yeah, fine. Now the point is that if you want to use own name for the variable file, you need to provide this parameter. Or if you want from the default, then terraform.tfvars is a default file where you can store your all variables. And from this file, your main Terraform file will fetch all the variables. So from the next time, you don't need to specify or write each and every time as at the time of providing this, at the time of running this Terraform file, right? Okay. Apart from that, if you check, make sure you something else also. It's also not necessary. You can also create multiple files as already and already been covered in my previous videos. You can create the multiple main.tf files, right? And in my coming lectures, I will be going to create more than one files. So our code will be more sophisticated. It's more bland way, and we will be using these structured data from files more easily, right? So that's all for this video.